Hey, what's up my YT homies? This is Alethea coming in at you with another video. Flashback moment. I just wanted to say that. But anyway, what's up? How are you guys doing? This is Alethea coming in at you with another video. I know this past week I did not put up a video, but I just got behind and then I had to go to Atlanta for my workshop. And so today is Saturday and it's later in the evening, but I wanted to go ahead and record this video. So if I look a mess, please do forgive me just this one time. But anyway, so this is a haul video. And this stuff comes in no particular order. I mean, I just got the stuff out that I purchased, and I'm just going to show you these things that I have purchased, okay? So, or things that have been given to me. Case in point, the first thing that I want to show you. However, before I move on with this haul, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my videos. Subscribe to, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, how about that? Go ahead and click that I can't talk. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to this channel, and go ahead and like this video because of course I'm sure you're gonna like it, right? I like it, so hopefully you'll like it. So anyway, my sister gave me this bag right here, and you all know I love getting bags for lunch to carry my lunch in. I have several different lunch bags, and she gave me this lunch bag, and let me show you what's inside of it. So first there is this container inside of it, and then you open it. Like, how do you do it? Like, you open it, and then there's another container inside of it. So there's two containers in here, and then there is also a water bottle. So, and I should take this water bottle, go ahead and take this water bottle out and start using it, you know, for when I go to the gym and stuff like that. So yeah, here's this water bottle. Alright, so the next two things that I want to show you actually come from a Walmart beauty box. Now, these I got like in my last Walmart beauty box, and I haven't used them yet, but I need to use them. It says 2 Miracle Mini Eraser Sponges. So what they're going to erase, I'm not sure, but they're mini sponges, and so I need, you know, I was going through my boxes as I'm organizing this. So any of you that have asked for an updated beauty room tour, that is coming. I'm almost finished. That is coming. But so yeah, I took all my like sample products and all that, and I put them in a container, and these were in there, and so I need to use these. Something else that I did get this in my Walmart beauty box for this quarter. And if you don't know, Walmart, their beauty box comes on a quarter system. It's only $5, but you get like 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, I don't even know. I don't count them, but it's different samples. It's kind of like Target's beauty box, and it's not necessarily samples. So now you get, sometimes I've gotten full-size lipsticks or full-size nail polishes and things like that. And so I got several products in this particular box, but the two things that stood out to me are this Dove exfoliating body wash, body polish rather. I saw this in Walmart, and I said I was gonna get it, but then I was like, no, I'm not gonna get it. So I have this sample to try, so now I'll know whether or not I like it. And then they sent this Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask, and this stood out to me because I have been trying to do better with my skin care regimen. This past week has not been good because I've been gone, but yeah, I'm ready to try this out. So those two products stood out to me for my Walmart beauty box that came this time. Alright, so in the next things, as if I didn't let you all know, I went to SCAD University. Alright, so as I was saying, I had to go and do something real quick. So as I was saying, I went to SCAD University, Atlanta. They have an Atlanta campus, a Savannah campus, a Lacoste campus, and a is it Hong Kong? I think it's Hong Kong. But they are known as the University for Creativity or Creative Arts or something like that. But they had an AP Language and Composition workshop this week. It was from the 11th through the 15th, and I went to Atlanta on the 10th. So I was there from the 10th through the 15th, which is today, getting some tips and tricks and learning all about the AP language and the test and things like that that students have to take so that I can teach the course. So anyway, with that being said, while I was there, I got a couple of takeaways. I got some books and things like that. I'm not going to show you all that. However, I will show you a couple of things. Number one being this SCAD University tumbler. They actually gave this to us the first day. Everybody had a bag, like a goodie bag with a notepad, a tumbler, and a couple of other items. So I got this tumbler. However, I saw, we went to the Museum of Fashion. It's called SCAD Fash, and I'll upload some pictures here. I remember to upload some pictures here. But in their museum, they have the pictures from, not pictures, the clothing items from The Handmaid's Tale. And it was like super duper awesome. It was just a really awesome experience. But in the Scadfash Museum, they had this what do you call it, tumbler. It's a ceramic tumbler, and it has this like cushy type of lid. I guess you could call it plastic, but it is just super duper. It's black. It's like really nice shiny black, and I just thought it was too cute. And let me put this top back on here. So I just thought this was too cute, and I really had to have it. Alright, and the next thing, I actually bought a few of these. I bought one for myself, I bought one for Pumpkin, I bought one for my honey. This t-shirt right here, and it just says Scad Bees because their logo, their mascot is a bee. And I bought this shirt in a size large, and it is kind of big here, and I have big arms, but the shirt is still kind of big. I have no problem with wearing my clothes big. However, I have went so long in my life wearing oversized clothes for one reason or another, because either I wanted to hide myself, or because, you know, it is what it is. So, but now I don't want all my clothes to be oversized. So I did want another shirt, and I went back down today before I left, and I got another Scad Bee shirt, but this one is in red, and this one is in a size medium. I went ahead and got a medium instead of a large. I didn't try this shirt on. This is a pretty nice size medium, because I have another medium shirt that I can wear that is not as big as this one. So I guess it depends on the shirt manufacturer and everything, just like with anything else. So, but yeah, I have this shirt, and I, you know, like I said, I have two of them. Alright, so now let's get into some other things that I purchased online. So the first thing I want to do is show you my items I did purchase from ColourPop. So the first things would be these ColourPop No Filter Concealers. You all are no stranger to knowing that I wear the ColourPop concealers, and the color that I get now is medium dark 36. So here are my concealers. But I also decided to get the lippy pencils. I got two of them. I got Ellery, and I have BFF3. So let me kind of show you what they look like and give you some swatches. So this one is Ellery, and it's like a burgundy type color, dark type color. Yes, pretty burgundy. There it is swatched. And then the next color I have is BFF3. And I'm not going to even lie, the reason why I got BFF3 was because of the Shayla times ColourPop collection. So the BFF3 is just kind of like a brown color. Yeah, there it is, like a light brown color. Oops, I don't want to seem like I'm giving you the bird. So I'm actually going to put BFF3 on my lips, because as you can see, I don't have on any lipstick. And if you've never purchased a lip pencil from ColourPop, they go on pretty smooth. I do like them. Alright, so not only did I get the lip pencils from ColourPop, I purchased some lipsticks. And the first one I have is Ooh from the Shayla times ColourPop collection, which is, like I said, the reason why I purchased BFF3. I've seen a couple of tutorials, to include Shayla's tutorial, where they use BFF3 and Ooh, and it just seems like a universal color and looks really nice on everybody that I've seen it on, and it just kind of made me think that, dang, I should have gotten it to begin with. But here is what Ooh looks like swatched on my hand. Alright, and so now I'm going to put Ooh on. So this is a peachy type corally color. I'm not sure. I thought this was supposed to be a matte, but it actually doesn't feel like a matte. It's pretty creamy. I like it. I don't know what it looks like on camera. I'm looking at the viewfinder trying to see, but I like it. So not only did I get Ooh, I also got Come On Sis. So let me show you what Come On Sis looks like. It's a little bit more of a neutral type color. I see a little bit of mauve in that one. I see some mauve. This is a mauve type color. And then the last color that I did get is called Maxed Out. It's not from the Shayla Times ColourPop collection, but I ended up getting this one. It's a magenta type color and it's called Maxed Out. And this one actually says matte on the bottom. These two do not have the type of lipstick that it is, but this one has that it is a matte. And it is a nice fuchsia type color. Yeah, magenta. It's like, yeah, like a, how would I describe that? Not necessarily fuchsia. It's like a hot pink type color. Alright, so that is what I got from ColourPop. So the next thing would be, now, let me tell you. I know you all, I've spoken on this in my last video, as well as, you know, of course you all know about all this. Alright, so like I was saying in my last video, I told you all that I was planning on going out to buy some Eco Styler gel. Not simply because I was like, oh gosh, I'm going to get some Eco Styler because everybody's discontinuing Eco Styler, but because if you recall, I told you all that I had stopped using Eco Styler and I was using Wetline Extreme. However, Wetline Extreme flaked up a little bit more, flaked up actually too much. Definitely more than Eco Styler. So I did go to Sally's and I purchased some Eco Styler gel. And let me tell you, I'm falling back in love again. My hair right now, I don't know if you can see this definition, but this is like day 4. I did this Wednesday. Or was it Tuesday night? I think it was, yeah. Something like that. Anyway, so I've been doing my hair back with the Eco Styler gel. So I did purchase 2 containers of the regular olive oil Eco Styler gel. I actually purchased one for myself as well as one for Pumpkin because let me tell y'all, just be truthfully honest, I don't think that this Eco Styler gel has agents that can cause cancer. Do I think that it can have some agents that can have some, people can have some sensitivities to? Yes, I do, because a lot of products have, people have sensitivities to them. Does that mean that they're harmful or bad for us or going to just make us fall over dead? No, I don't think that. So, but I did have that. But I also did, when I purchased those 2, I did purchase the castor oil and, what is it, the black castor and flaxseed oil. Now, I'll be honest with you all, I do not like this gel. The reason why I had to do my hair back over Wednesday was because I did my hair with this castor oil and the one with the castor oil, and I just did not like it. Did not do anything for the definite. Well, let me put it this way: it defined my hair really well, but it gave me so much shrinkage when it dried to where it looked like it just didn't look right. And it was dry. It was dry. It just this is not good for my hair. So I will not be using this one simply because of how my hair turned out with it. Now, hopefully, you know, if Pumpkin tries it, she likes it, or my sister can even try it. If she likes it, then she can have this one. However, I won't be using this one again. Something else I purchased from Sally's. Now, before I purchased the Eco Styler gel, I did get, you know, Sally's, their beauty thing now. You get something that's free for under $10, and I got this Miel Organics, not Miel Organics, Miel, I'm sorry, Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. I like the way this smells. I like the way this feels on my hair. However, it does not provide hold. So this will not be a standalone gel. And I also got, from Sally's, I also got this 360 degree mist sprayer. So I saw this sprayer and I was like, it's just too cute. And I have a couple of water bottles. One of my bottles has water in it. One of them has conditioner and water. This one probably will be just water, and I'll take the other one that has water in it and add oil to it, because I do need to, you know, make sure I have some oils on my hair. So this spray bottle, like I said, I haven't used it yet. I haven't put anything in it, so I don't know how it mists, how it sprays. I just know it says 360 mist sprayer, so I'm thinking that it just should pump and just go. And then after I purchased those items, I had accumulated enough points or money, spent enough money to get another free product. So I ended up getting this Long and Lust Grow Yogurt As I Am leave-in conditioner. I haven't purchased anything from As I Am in so long, and I had not tried this new line. This is pomegranate and passion fruit, and when I tell you, this stuff smells divine. It smells so, so, so good. I also purchased from Sally's these banana clips. I don't have them on my hair now. I actually do have a banana clip on my hair right now. It's black, but it is actually in this style because I purchased these from Walmart in a pack. They had 3, which was this brown one, this black one, and a white one, like frosty type looking color. So I have a banana clip here, and then the back of my hair, I just have it hanging down. But I also purchased these Scoochie, is that how you pronounce it? Scoochie, whatever. These bands to go around your head for when I'm working out, so that when I'm working out I won't necessarily sweat out my edges. Because if you all know, I have fine hair, period, but my edges, they've always been finer, but I kind of took advantage of them a little bit and pulled at them a little bit, as well as, you know, I told you all months ago when I first started losing weight, it seemed like my edges were thinning out. I don't know, it could have been my imagination, or it could have been the braids when I started wearing the braids. I don't know, but either way it goes, I'm just trying to thicken my edges back up as much as I can, because they'll still be thin, but I can try to get some type of thickness to them. And I also purchased from Walmart this rose gold makeup for hair. I haven't sprayed it on my hair yet, but I am really ready to try, really ready to put this on my hair and see what it's going to look like. I should put some on there. Now let's see. Can I open it? So what does it say? Okay, so it says cover shoulders with a towel and all that kind of good jazz. So I'll wait and spray this on my hair at another time when I can go through all that. Alright, and so the next items I want to show you are some items that I did purchase from Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. I did not get much. However, I had to go in and swoop up some cucumber melon, oldie but goodie. I got some cucumber melon body wash. I did purchase one for myself, and I purchased one for Pumpkin, because when I do go to Bath & Body Works, even though usually Pumpkin gets a plethora of things, because whatever I don't want she gets, plus whatever I purchase her. So I don't know whether she's going to like cucumber melon, but I went ahead and purchased them for her. And I also purchased the cucumber melon body cream. These were $3.75 each. Yeah, $3.75 each, and then I had a 20% off coupon. And I also purchased another wallflower for my other bedroom. I needed a wallflower. And of course I purchased some bulb refills as well. I have Beautiful Day, Tiki Beach, Black Teakwood, Watermelon Lemonade, 2 Georgia Peaches, and Caribbean Escape. Now I know some of y'all are probably like, this girl's obsession with wallflower refills is off the chain, off the charts, ridiculous. And you know what? I have to agree with you. But guess what? I'm going to continue to buy them. I'm going to continue to purchase them because they don't cause me any harm. No, they don't. Alright, so that is it for this video. I was going to show you all my June BoxyCharm box, but I know this video has gone on way longer than what I wanted to go, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it off here. But I will say this about BoxyCharm: if you are looking for a subscription box to get, if you have been on the fence and you've wanted one, I'm telling you, BoxyCharm is the way to go. The items that they put in these boxes are like super duper awesome. You get full-size products for essentially $21 per month. You cannot beat that with a stick. I promise you, you can. I am going to show you one thing from this month's box, and that one thing is this palette. It is from, what does it say? Alamar Cosmetics. And this palette, it's just so freaking pretty. Do you see those colors? You get 8 colors in this palette, and there looks to be 4 mattes and 4 shimmers, and they are so freaking pretty. But I'm telling you, if you, like I said, if you are in the market for a subscription box to get, definitely look into BoxyCharm. They are bomb.com. So yeah, that is it for this video. As I asked you in the beginning of the video, go ahead and click subscribe, and make sure before you check out, you go ahead and like this video. And if you would like to catch up on my other videos, I have playlists where you can go and check out my videos, or you can just go to my channel and click on videos and just see all the videos and watch whichever ones you would like to watch. But don't forget to also share this video across all your social media sites. And that'll be it for this one. So until the next time, in the between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye. So I figured since I started the video off with a flashback moment, I'd end it the same way. So like I said, until the next time, in the between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.